I want everybody good. You know what I mean? What's poppin'? Eh? I don't wonder where me them. I don't know if I wonder where me them because I'm not supposed to subscribe to my other channels, especially the main channel, because of this on there I put in the work, you know what I mean? So if you don't subscribe to the main channel like you're on the vlog channel, go subscribe to the main channel. I already make you know the situation with the vlogging, right? Well, I would love to vlog every day. But unfortunately, there's nothing to vlog every day. I can barely find shit to vlog once a week. I know someone in the mind, I don't know what I just want to see me sit down in front of the camera the whole day while others would complain, yo, change this, change that. Shut the fuck up. I feel like I own a vlog, so I can give you a vlog. There's nothing really that's I'm going to be doing today. We might just work on a couple of videos for the Instagram. That's probably what I'll be doing. Apart from that, you don't miss me? Yeah? No? You don't miss me either. I'm about to get some tea, you know. Nobody knows nothing about me here. Rasta we say. I grew up me here, man. I feel like I'm going to curl it up. Yeah, man, I feel like I'm going to curl it up and then get a nice little trim, fade it up the right way and go out easy back, you know? I think that's the way I go. I curl it. I go curl it. And nobody knows say nothing. Nobody knows say a word. My hair. You can do what you want with it. And a weave. And a teeth me teethy. And a buy me buy. I'm a real, grown, beautiful, dreaded, Rasta, African head. When I have a S-curl. Because I feel like it. Sour. Anyways, man, I make some tea, you know. Water for my tea boil, so I'll just take out the trash mins. In the meantime, I turn on in a curry goat one day, you know. I'm not going with the foolishness. Here, continue. I got turn on in a curry goat one day.
Meat nice when you're boring. Man, a classic goat. You can see me with 2 hands on me, man, a classic goat. The type of meat when nice with curry, man, a classic goat.
And just like that, dash with the trash. Hooray! And as we come back in the water bubble, perfect timing, you know. You know, so the other day I dropped the camera yard. I did a film a video and I dropped the camera. My heart dropped out of my chest because I swear say everything done. If this camera mash up, you know, it's gonna be a rough patch. Trust me. Thank God. It is still okay. I think the little frame when I have it on, it kind of get most of it absorbs the shock. Anyways, I'm going to make my tea now and set the camera off for charge because I noticed that the battery was running a bit low. So, it's bubbling. Ooh. Kind of stupid shit. You almost, goddamn dumbass. Almost burn up the camera, you donkey. So check back with them. Hey, good evening. Can I have chicken cheese and a Coke with it, please?
Regular chicken?
Yeah.
Man, a classic goat.
She thinks I did a call after her. No, baby, love, but I call after you, isn't it? Sorry. Good evening. Can I have shrimp patty with cheese, please? Yeah, that's it.
You can see me with 2 hands on me, man, a classic goat.
When your wife is a cokehead and she addicted to Twizzlers, so you have to find yourself in the supermarket and get her the fix. Twizzlers, I like my wife one time. She pretty. Put her in a commercial and get her a lifetime supply of Twizzlers.
The type of meat when nice with curry, man, a classic goat.
Pour out is out, I know I have to laugh. The screenshot the text and send me. Hombre. Hombre. She have used a big waist, man. Look at crackhead. What are you doing? Could you pour me some of that drink, please, baby? Yo, press. They are not goddesses for real. Oh, that's what I was supposed to do. Pass me my phone.
Please.
Please. Why do you always make me seem like I don't have any manners? If I don't say please one time, that does not mean I don't mean it.
No.
Me say please, baby.
Like,
Please.
Give me a little drink, so I want to give me no color, no answer.
Baby girl, leave mommy drinks alone. I never wanted it now, but thank you. I wanted it to pour it and leave it up there. I was going to pick it up. Honey. Honey.
Oh.
A drink vocals come in here.
Man a classic road.
Some quick little words of inspiration, you know what I mean, or whatever you want to take it as. Practice forgive to other people when you don't have it. Practice forgive even when you don't have enough. Break off a piece of your slice and share it, or when you don't have enough. Because the whole of we have dreams and aspirations, and those dreams and aspirations, we are hoping that they lead us towards some form of wealth, and wealth that we can share with family and the people around us, you know. But when you reach a level there, if you never did a really practice forgive out, trust me, it's gonna be hard, you know. You have to put the action of giving into practice from early, even when you're not nothing. So you see, when you reach up on the level where you say, yo, mama forget a house, this a person have to get that and that, you give it willingly without a problem, because you've been practicing giving, and when you give, you always come back to it. So just practice giving from when you know how nothing. You know what I mean? Yeah man, that's a little word of inspiration, of advice. Well, the plan right now, the more problem nasty. Finish mash down the chicken cheese, yeah. Where you say, how somebody eat a chicken cheese body? What's cool, man? Everything top secret. Finish mash down the chicken cheese patty and go edit a Instagram video.
My life is rough and the day me born, but still I be holding on. My life is rough and the day me born. Nothing ever come easy to me.
Then try film another Instagram video. Then try film another Instagram video. So we just dip on mad workings. Then probably later I'm gonna write a script. We try to buy the S-Curl, but the goddamn it costs too much. So I'm gonna try the China man. When I do the China one, me go, but them say them don't have the brand that me I look for. Chicken cheese patty! So as you can see, the rain fell and now the rain gone. I'm here whipping up some of the famous Kevin Too Crazy baked chicken. I got my dark sauce right there. You know what I'm saying? Get it nice and brown and beautiful. I do some baked chicken. I just protein alone today. Nothing else. And the chicken, you know, do what it does. I put it in there about like 15 or so minutes, you know. So it just go on and do it, the little thing, you know what I mean? It's in the first round I bake it. I'm gonna take it off, flip it, and then when it close, when the near if it don't know, drop on my sauce. And then I get soaked up. Right? Right. Yeah, so that way I do it now. Bag of things, people. Bag of things! Don't get lost in the sauce. Look at all that sauce right there. Look at all that glistening, beautiful sauce. Check it out, man. Check it out, man. Looking delicious, right? You'd like to have some of this right now, right? Ain't no way, Jose. Shirtless as usual, or not as usual. Alright, guess what? The day done, people. Thank you guys for watching this video, even though I'm so inconsistent with the vlogs. You know what I mean? I appreciate the support. I want to know the thing, man. Me telling you what I go on already now, but when me have things for vlog, be sure that I will vlog it. Alright? What me up to right now, well, me just bake. I got eat me little baked chicken with some bread. I do the 2 Instagram video them. The day was not wasted. I was going to edit this vlog for put up tomorrow, but I have to edit this in the morning because I'm so hungry right now. But me soon again, soon, hopefully. Take care of yourself, you know what I mean. I remember what I did telling you today. Start give for the little bit where you have. Is what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Little more. Honey! 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 The Drake vocals come in yet? Baby, you love me? Why are you tripping? Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Say what's bracking?
No.
No?
No.
Alright, soon I'll get to know.
So Kevin, you can't trim.
What me call her for? Look at more people.